How to show activity status on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show activity status on Instagram Lite. First go to Instagram and now just click here on your profile and then click this three lines in the top corner, and here we'll find settings and then privacy and activity status, and here we'll find it show activity status. Now if you want to show it, just click here and go back, and as you see, that's how to show activity status on Instagram Lite, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.